Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the future of battlefield firepower of the missile vehicles of 2026. These advanced platforms are rewriting the rules of modern warfare, combining speed, stealth, and devastating precision. Let's kick things off with the U.S. Army's Precision Strike Missile System, or PrSM, set to replace the aging ATACMS. The PrSM is a next-gen surface-to-surface missile that can strike targets over 500 kilometers away. Mounted on the M142 HIMARS and M270 MLRS, this missile brings unmatched reach to mobile ground forces. What makes it special? It's designed to operate in GPS-denied environments, features a two-pack launcher for faster reloads, and includes multi-mode targeting for land and naval threats. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap into the future. Over in Russia, the Iskander M continues to evolve. In 2026, we're seeing more mobile, heavily camouflaged transport erector launchers, or TALs, equipped with upgraded Iskander variants. These short-range ballistic missiles are known for their unpredictable flight paths and extreme maneuverability. Designed to evade missile defenses, Russia is also testing new sensor packages to allow real-time targeting updates mid-flight. That's bad news for stationary targets trying to hide behind air defenses. China, not to be outdone, is rolling out the new PHL-16 variant, a long-range multiple rocket launcher. It's modular, meaning it can fire a mix of ballistic and cruise missiles from the same platform. This flexibility allows rapid adjustments in combat scenarios, giving Chinese forces a decisive edge. The newer versions are said to include hypersonic-capable payloads at speeds above Mach 5a, making interception nearly impossible. Let's not forget Europe. The Franco-German main ground combat system includes plans for advanced missile vehicles integrated with eye-assisted targeting. These systems can identify and prioritize targets autonomously, allowing human operators to focus on broader battlefield tactics. While details are still under wraps, 2026 prototypes are already undergoing field testing, and early results are promising. India is also making waves with its PINAKA Mk2 missile launcher. Originally a rocket artillery system, the latest version can deploy guided missiles with a range of up to 75 kilometers. Combined with drones for reconnaissance, Indian missile vehicles are becoming precision strike platforms, not just area denial tools. Meanwhile, Israel's Spike-Nlos missile system is being integrated into lighter, faster 4x4 armored vehicles. The Spike's range of up to 32 kilometers and its ability to hit moving targets with pinpoint accuracy makes it ideal for urban warfare and anti-armor missions. It's a game-changer in asymmetric combat. As we head deeper into 2026, the focus is shifting toward interoperability and modularity. Vehicles are being designed to accept various missile types, from anti-ship to anti-air, on a single chassis. Eye and drone coordination are becoming standard features. The future isn't about one superweapon, it's about systems that talk, adapt, and strike together. Missile vehicles in 2026 are no longer just trucks with rockets. They're high-tech beasts combining